everyone. Thank you for joining me today on this beautiful Sunday in Addison, Illinois. My name is Thomas and I'm coming to you from mgmclassiccars.com. Here's another MGM 1972 Chevrolet Nova Super Sport car, real K code, meaning that it's a real super sport car, but it's a hot rod. It's been modified. It's got a lot of horsepower, which we're going to go over today. The exterior of the car is nice condition, not show quality, but very nice. It is a hugger orange color on the car. The white SYC Yenko stripes are decals, and that could be removed if needed. So today, this afternoon, I'm going to walk around the car and share some of the information with you and just point out some of the flaws in the car, if any, or all as well. So I'm just going to do a quick walk around, and then I'm going to get a little bit closer to the paint. I just want to give you the idea here and the look of the stance on the car. In this video, it looks a little red, but it definitely is a hugger orange paint because we are in the shade. Beautiful reflection on the car. Nice chrome bumpers, nice bezels, factory SS emblem in the back. Body panels seem to line up very nice on the car, which we're going to talk about a little bit closer. As you can see, the aluminum Weld racing wheels look pretty good on this car. As you can see, it's got buckets. It does say 396, but it's not. There's a built 502 big block motor, aluminum head motor in this car, which it's got definitely some horsepower. It's estimated at 576 foot-pounds of torque. It's backed up by a 4-speed transmission and a Dana 60 rear end. So we're going to move in a little bit closer on the paint to show you guys some of the nice reflections on the paint and any defects if I see. Okay. So far, everything looks really nice on it. There's your side mirror, your wing windows. You got some aftermarket gauges here, the fuel gauge, the water gauge, and the oil gauge. It's wrapped in a carbon fiber. Pretty cool. All right, continuing here. Very slick paints. All right, here's a little defect right there. And also on the bottom here, there's a little defect. This is just a little dirt, but there's a defect there. Everything else on the bottom, that's just a little dirt. Everything else there looks great. A couple little blemishes there. We can touch it up for you, but I'd rather show it to you first. We're going to have the car professionally detailed. Right now it has not been detailed because it just came in today and I wanted to get it out on the internet as quick as possible. Alright, moving in on the passenger side, everything looks great here. Beautiful reflection, as you can see. No issues there. There's a blemish right there. Nothing that I see there. Okay. So there you have it, folks. I try to tell you everything about the car. I don't want anyone to be disappointed. And when you drive this bad boy and see it, you will not be. Grille in the front looks new. Chrome bumper looks new. Let's check out the interior. Door lips look good. There's your factory SS door panels. Door jambs look excellent. Rockers look good. Bucket seats. It's got a console in the car with the 4-speed Hurst shifter. And then I added the, yeah, of course, you need to hold your coffee in the morning when you guys are going to the car shows. Rear defrost right there, pretty rare feature. There's your big tack. Then your other gauges there with the big Cowl induction hood. Passenger side looks great as well, along with the headliner, package tray, and back seat. underneath is clean on the car. If you guys want to see the trunk, please refer to my photos. The trunk is super solid, and we are going to have it spackled. It's going to look brand spanking new. All right, let's slide the camera underneath there. New gas tank, shocks. There's your Dana. 411 gear ratio on the Posi. Frame's been tied in. Very clean underneath, as you can see. All right. So let's big exhaust system. Can you see that? All right. So next, let's see what works and what doesn't work. Okay. All right. All right. Let's put this in the on position. Left turn signal. Let's check that out. Headlights are on. You got nothing on the driver's side. And that's not blinking on the driver's side as well. So we're going to look into that. All right, looks like the passenger turn signal is functioning. That works there. Yep, that's properly working. Let's check out the front. Seems like the front's working. Okay, so we're going to check out the driver's side. Turn signal. That's what we're going to have to check out. All right. Car shows 27,493 miles. Let's face it. It's probably got 127,493 miles. I was told the engine's got less than 10,000 miles on the rebuild. All right, horn, not working. I'm leaving that alone. Wipers function. Heat defrost does function. Radio works as well. And all the gauges there work along with the big tack. Let's get this thing fired up. Obviously, it's got a big cam in it. Let's listen to this popcorn. Right underneath the bow tie, right here in one hand, lift up, hood comes up. We're going to have this all detailed and ready to go. Aluminum head, no power steering, MSD ignition, and front power disc brakes. When I mount the camera, we're going to go for a ride. guys will be very happy with this car. If you're watching this on YouTube, click the subscribe button. If you're watching on Facebook, like it, share it. If you need financing, if your credit score is between 650 and 720, you'll need 10% down. If it's over 720, no money down, can get it bought. And we do driveway delivery. So keep all that in mind, people. Thank you for watching MGMClassicCars.com.